What will the housing market look like in 2026? Key point number one, modest growth, not wild swings in home prices. In 2026, home prices are expected to rise, but don't expect the same kind of double-digit growth that we saw during the pandemic years. Not going to happen. According to Zillow's adjusted forecast, national home values could climb by around 0.4% from mid-2025 to mid-2026. That's a slow pace, but it's still positive. The reason? Housing demand remains solid, especially in metro areas where population growth and job expansion are driving the local markets. At the same time, affordability continues to be a challenge. Some overheated areas may see slight price declines or flattening even, giving buyers some breathing room finally. This could be a window of opportunity for those who have been priced out previously. This is going to be their chance. Overall, the market appears to be leaning towards balance rather than boom or bust, especially in mid-sized cities and affordable suburban markets. Key point number two, sales activity is set to rebound if rates improve. After a slow 2024 and 2025, many experts believe 2026 could be the year sales activity picks back up. Experts project a potential 14% jump in home sales next year, assuming mortgage rates ease. Some are also forecasting nearly a 10% increase in existing home sales, driven by pent-up buyer demand. What's been holding people back isn't a lack of interest, rather it's affordability and high borrowing costs. If rates start to decline, which many economics expect, more buyers could return to the market. This shift would be welcome news for sellers too, especially those in desirable neighborhoods with limited inventory. If rates stay high or economic uncertainty continues, the rebound could stall, meaning that rate will shape next year's momentum. Key point number three, inventory and buying power. One of the biggest factors influencing the market in 2026 is inventory. Right now, many homeowners are sitting tight, holding on to historically low interest rates from past years. This lock-in effect has made it difficult for buyers to find options, keeping inventory tight across the board. But that may start to shift. As rates gradually go down, more sellers may re-enter the market, either to upsize or downsize or relocate. More listings will give us more buyers, more choices, and more time to make decisions. At the same time, sellers will face increased competition, especially if their homes aren't priced right or well prepped for today's cautious buyers. Even small updates like fresh paint or a pre-listing inspection could make a big difference. If inventory rises and demand stays steady, buyers gain the upper hand again, especially in mid-tier markets. Sellers will still do well in high-demand areas, but they'll need to be strategic. If you're thinking about buying or selling in 2026, now is the time to start planning. I'll help you understand what's happening in the market and what steps to take based on your goals. Reach out to me for a free, no-pressure consultation to make sure you're ready when the right opportunity shows up. You don't have to guess your way through it. I'm here to guide you.